So here in this video, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can analyze time series data, or how you can apply Garch model in one of the most easiest way on your time series data. So here, that is something which is very important. If you can see where I am moving the cursor, Excel stat option, like I have got the add-ons of Excel stat option. So here you have to go on the website of Excel stat, and you can try the free version for 14 days. So once you will download this program, so automatically this option will come on your Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Excel. Okay, this option will blink here after downloading your Excel stat software, and once it will come over here, then you have to click on that. So you will get like user interface, you will get like that, and then you have to come on the option of R software. Here the option of R is inbuilt here, like it's attached with your Microsoft Excel, and you have to search here time series in T series. Means if you will place the cursor on T series, then you will get Garch modeling. And here, because I have already analyzed it, so it's showing that the previous data, so I'm going to delete it first. You have to there are two options in general tab option, time series and date data. So you have to choose first, like time series data, including the name of the variable, with the help of the cursor or mouse till the end of your data, your complete data, whatever data you want to analyze. Do not use the arrow keys here, I will suggest to you people, because it will generate an error. So here you can see that I have selected the entire data with the help of mouse. So go, yes, come on. Okay, it's end over here, so up to here. Then I will come on to the date column, and I will choose the date including the name of the variable. Here you can see I have chosen the date till the end. So yes, go, yeah, it's over, it's about to over, yeah, it's over. So here you can see, like I have chosen the time series data, only two tabs. It's very easy in this software, that's why I will recommend you use Excel stat instead of using eViews, Gradle, Stata, because it's and you do not need to take the help of a statistician or any other one. You do it yourself. Just like I will say, you just place your data in this manner, name of the variable in the topmost row, and then in first column date, and then volatility variables, like it depends upon your data objective. So then then in second column volatility variables, and then simply you can, here options are given like Arch. You can change the option, like for example if you want to keep it Garch 1, Arch 0, okay, or you can also change it to Garch 1. It depends upon your output results or objectives. And for missing data, you can choose the various option. Do not accept missing data, remove the observations, or estimate missing data with the help of mean or median. So it will estimate your missing data also if you will click on this option. Then for outputs, I require all the necessary information like coefficients, descriptive statistics, covariance, predictions, and residuals. Then charts, I require each and everything, and then just click on OK, and then click on like it's showing you like your observations. In time series I have 2857 rows and 12 columns, so it's exactly correct, there is no doubt in it. So just click on continue option and see the magic here. You can see the magic here. Within just 2 minutes you can analyze your time series data. So I hope that this video is going to help you a lot. You have to just wait for 2-3 minutes, that it will take time to generate the entire results, and you can see the magic here within just 2-3 minutes. It's very simple. I will recommend you to use Excel stat instead of using uh, R, Python. And if you are not interested in coding, so this is the best software for you to like generate your results. If you do not want to learn coding and you want to get your results only, then this is the best software. So it will take some time, and just see here, like just wait for a while. Yeah, you can see it here, and here this like triangle. In this triangle option you can see summary statistics, whatever you want. You can click on to whatever results you want. Like we have coefficients, we have covariance matrix, we have variable wise results for with similar indicators. So whatever you want. For example, I want to see descriptive stats, summary statistics, so click on summary statistics. So here it's here. So whatever you want, you can choose the information from here. So I think this is the one of the most easiest way. Once again, I'm repeating the entire process. First you have to install Excel stat, download this program or software, and then in R option, Excel stat R, you have to click on it, and then you will get time series. And in time series you will get you have to click on Garch modeling. Then you know the procedure. You have to choose your data in time series excluding date, because if there is a separate column for that. And then you have to choose the options which model you want, and just OK and continue, and you will get your results. So it's magic, it's like a magic. It's magic. Oh, okay. So I hope that this video will help you a lot. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos like that.